Hi, in this video I'm going to be discussing the differences between a Class 1 and Class 2 sound level meter. A lot of people get these two confused because they look very similar, but there are some key differences that you should know about before you make your purchase. So if you're curious to know about what the difference is, stick around and I'll explain it all for you. The performance class of the sound level should be stated as Class 1 or Class 2, conforming to the international standard IEC 61672-1. In some cases, the same meter can be specified as Class 1 in one configuration and as Class 2 in another configuration. For example, with a different microphone. Generally, the main difference between Class 1 and Class 2 is associated with the measurement accuracy and frequency ranges. Sound level meter frequency range. In today's video, we'll be discussing the different frequency ranges that sound meters are able to measure. Sound is a complex phenomenon, but thankfully there are some tools out there that help us understand it better and make sense of what we are hearing. The tolerance for Class 1 accuracy is more strict than Class 2 and is specified in the range from 10 Hz to 20 Hz, whereas for the Class 2 sound level meters, accuracy outside the range from 20 Hz to 8 kHz has infinite tolerance. For example, at 1 kHz, the limit of acceptance is plus or minus 0.7 decibels for Class 1 and plus or minus 1.0 decibels for Class 2,